Hello everyone, welcome back to HPRT channel. Today I'm going to introduce our intelligent logistics packing machine. This product is tailored for e-commerce shop owners and is widely used in multiple industries, such as apparel, toys, food, and electronic products. Metal structure ensures reliable performance and continuous operation. Capacity is packing 600 to 1,400 packages per hour, and the delivery efficiency is 2 to 3 times than manual delivery. At the same time, it is an all-in-one integrated packing solution. It combines printing, labeling, and packing into one compact streamlined unit. 21 half-inch touchscreen assures more intuitive and convenient operation. With our own cutting-edge technology, the standalone printing and labeling system brings more clear printing, faster speed, and stable labeling. An adjustable scanning bracket suitable for multi-angle scanning. It's embedded with a precise detection system to improve operation safety. The structure is designed for easy assembling and effortlessly consumable replacement. In addition, it is available with multiple interfaces to meet your specific needs, include Ethernet, Wi-Fi, USB, serial, USB host, HDMI, and audio interface. Thanks for enjoying the video. If you are looking for a labeling machine, feel free to contact us.